Hey, this is Julian from the Binary Lab, and here in the Art of Spamming course. Okay, by the way, this is a free video. That's I decided to make this available to all my subscribers on YouTube as well because this is a very powerful mindset video that will train you how to have Jedi Master kind of accuracy in your trades. So in this video, I want to tell you a little bit of a story and help you to kind of like imagine the right time frame. Okay, have you ever been to a video game arcade and maybe you were one of those guys or you know someone like that? Okay, I used to have a best friend of mine. His name was Ricky, and back in the college days, sometimes there's time between classes and there are a couple of game machines just outside the campus, and then with depending on how much spare change on that day, right, he would choose what game to play. And sometimes when he's down to just one coin, all right, he will play the one game that he knows best, because then he would be able to make the best use of that coin, because by playing on that game that he knows very well, he could I think it was Tekken or something. He could, or like Art of Fighters, one of those games. And he could spend a very long time after that, and even the challenges would come in from time to time. He'd be able to beat them and continue playing the game. So that would be very good money spent. Now, let's take it back to trading, okay? This is for anyone and everyone who wants to improve the accuracy in your trading. Let's just imagine that you have $1 left in your trading account. Your live trading account has only $1 left. And your job is that you're not going to save that $1, but you're going to trade it. You have to trade it. And you need to turn this $1 into $5 by the end of maybe half an hour. Okay? So there are no prizes for being fast, but there's a penalty, okay? Because you're not allowed to lose. You cannot go lower the balance than the lowest amount needed to make a trade, which is $1. So for your first trade, it is imperative that you pick the trade that you know for sure that you can win. And after you win that first trade, because the payout is maybe 92%, 89%, over here in Art of Spam Clicking, we use pocket option. And in my course, we do a lot of OTC trading because OTC is higher payout, more predictable, and bigger range. So it's all the pluses for this trading method. And by the way, if you're watching this video right now, you might just be in time for tomorrow's webinar, even if you haven't signed up for the program yet. So check out the link in the video description. All right, the price has actually gone up by now, but even so, there's so many more videos inside the course right now, and it's definitely a very good value for money. Now, let's get back into this example again. You have made the first trade. Now you're going to make the second trade. The second trade, because now your account is now $1.92. You can only place one more $1 trade. Okay, now it's also very crucial that this second trade, you need to make a very accurate choice in the market. So take your time to pick. Okay, you have a choice of being rash or being patient and waiting for the right opportunity. What will you do? If you make the right choice, now your account goes to 270 or 260 something, 268 just for instance. Okay, then or if you lost, you're now back down to $1. No, you're back down to 90 cents, which is game over actually, basically. Okay, so you have to win this trade. You have to win this trade no matter what. Okay, so win this trade, and then the next trade, well, you have some margin for error. Yeah, you can lose. You're gonna do a dollar trade again, and you can lose. You can lose it, but then again, you want to try to go ahead, because if you lose it, then you have to be very accurate for the next trade again. So, what you can do is that I recommend you, if you want to be very sharp and focused, okay, you can even do this exercise maybe once per day. This is very good. If and then record how many days of a week you can that you actually succeed in turning $1 into five. And then, I mean, along the way, obviously, let's say if you are now at $3 and something, you can use a $2 to trade, and then you meet your goal, okay? But again, that requires extreme precision, extreme patience for the right setup. So in the art of spamming, there are many of my lesson videos teaching you the accurate entry, the accurate setup, proper case studies on what the whole thing looks like. Okay, so look through the other videos in this course. Take your time to understand it really well. Okay, and this exercise, okay, do it every day for 2 weeks. I guarantee you, you will become super accurate. You will become a Jedi master in trading. You will be able to read the market. Okay, and when you have mastered this skill, you are definitely ready to spam click and make a lot of money because you will be able to find the right setups. Keep a record, okay? Like out of 14 days, maybe in the first few days, you will not be so good at this. You may need more than one attempt. And on any day that you fail, okay, you have to come back again in a different time that day to do this again. So your record will be like, okay, I did it in one attempt. Monday I did it in one attempt. Tuesday I did it in two attempts. Wednesday I did it in two attempts. Thursday I did it in three attempts. Uh, Friday I did it in one attempt, one attempt, one attempt. And what's gonna happen is that if you think about it, hey, all right, even if you did it in three attempts, you know what's awesome? Okay, if you took three attempts to do this, in reality, the third attempt would have broken even the first two without any kind of risky trading. And what was your risk to be able to do that? $1. Well, if you want to count it like third attempt, okay, $3. That's your real risk. But you made five. Okay? So do this training every day for 2 weeks, starting from today, concurrently with your spam clicking. Okay? If you're doing spam clicking on demo, great. This is a very good balance. If you're already experienced trader and you're actually getting decent above 70% win across all your spam clicking setups on a daily basis, or carry on, but still do this exercise because it will make you even better. See you in the next video. Bye for now.